Good day again. Welcome to our kitchen, which is we are going to cook tinola today. Ito kasi si Papa Mitz. Medyo nakukulangan sa download ko. So mag-download lang siguro ako na mag-download. Anyway, kailangan ko na rin naman lutuin to. Kasi yung papaya ko guys, parang nagiging luboy siya. Alam mo yung mukhang hindi na siya malutong. And I don't know how it's gonna affect my tinola, but we decided to make tinola today. We have a native chicken here. We have a, tignan nyo naman guys yung lemongrass ko, hindi na tumangkad, hindi na. But anyway, we have bok choy here. And yung malunggay ko guys dati, hindi ko agad siya naluto. So ginawa ko, in-air dry ko siya. Hoping na mabigyan niya ng justice yung tinola ko today. Kasi nung pumunta kami ng market, wala silang fresh tinola. So yung ginawa ko siyang air dry ko, pinatuyo ko siya guys. We have luya here, garlic, and onion. And of course, hindi ka Bicolana pag wala ka nito. So yun lang guys ang lulutuin natin. Tingnan nyo guys yung na-air dry kong malunggay. So ginagamit ko siya sa tinola. This is my first time na nag-air dry ako and then gagamitin ko siya guys. So hoping it give a justice to our food today. And kasi yung lahat ng video ko guys, wala yata akong picture. Hindi nakikita ni Papa Mitch yung pagmumukha ko, di ba? Oh, so here's our ingredients for today. Hindi ko siya guys mabuha. With papaya. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you have a great day and stay safe out there. And spread the love, not the hate. Love, love, love. Thank you for watching.
No, it's only try to sign on a different account.